In this video, I want to show you how to factory reset your HP Smart Tank 6001. Let's get started. Step number one, you're going to go on the side of this printer and you're going to simply put the lid up. Okay, leave it in the up position. You're going to come over here on the control panel and you're going to keep press this I button until the whole button layout is lit up. So keep it pressed around 5 seconds, release, and you're going to notice all the buttons are lit up. This is great. Next step, you're going to keep press this I button at the same time as this X button for 6 seconds. So let's do it together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now release. And you can close down the lid. Take a look on the display over here. Okay, just over here. You're going to notice these buttons are blinking. This one blinked once, and the screen will go completely dark. This is normal. It's part of the factory reset. And after a while, without touching anything, this thing will spin. It's now factory resetting. So usually you have to wait a minute and a half, maybe even less than this. So let's come back in that amount of time. All right, at the end, it will stop spinning and you're gonna have the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, simply telling you it's in setup mode right now, ready to connect to a new device because it has been completely resetted. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, leave a like, subscribe, check my Amazon links if you want to get some ink for this printer or some paper, and I will see you in the next video.